What's up, guys? This is VH right here with V8 Revenge.
Hi.
We're playing a new game for you guys. It's called White Noise. It's kind of like Slenderman, you know. And it's
When,
about...
like, Slenderman got really buff, and he had, like, 3 guns on his cock. So, he's, like, really big now.
Buffed out on steroids or something. And as you can see, the time is 12:45 a.m.
Guys, don't take steroids. Yeah, it's 12:45 a.m., but, guys, don't take steroids, because steroids will make your pee small. Don't do that.
Okay, well, let's get started. Wait, how do I even start the game? Oh, let's start the beginning. Oh, we're playing on Nightmare mode, too, so you can grab us from behind.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
Let's start this stuff. Jacob, where you at?
Huh? Oh, hey, Ro.
Alright, Jacob, I need 8 more tape.
Oh, no, your mic.
Jacob, I hear one already.
Your mic queefs in this game, too.
Does it?
Yes. Oh, okay.
Jacob, come on.
Now he spawns,
now
guys.
You lead the way. You lead the way now.
Okay, this isn't the map that I wanted to play on, but whatever.
Well, we're making another video for you guys after this. One more video because then Jacob wants to go to bed after this. So we're going to have 2 videos to do.
Okay, it's very creepy out here.
Jacob, this game is giving me the creep right now.
Yeah. Oh, jeez. Guys, look at him. See?
God.
Right there, guys. Oh, jeez.
This game is kind of giving me the heebie-jeebies right now, Jacob.
I'm just running. I don't know where you went, but...
Away from me.
Oh, he's behind you.
Don't say that.
Don't look behind you, children.
Oh, no. Let me pick it up. Please. I need 7 more. Oh, my God. I think you do something around me. Come on, Jacob. Where are we going?
Let's just keep on running. Just keep running.
Jacob, he's not here no more.
Are you sure? Okay. Well, he's probably here. He's just probably... Yeah.
He's probably just fat. He's probably just jerking at the tree.
Yeah, probably. I hear another tape.
Guys, we're getting lucky on our first play. Jacob, let me pick it up, please.
I don't know where it is. Oh, jeez, right behind you. Oh, my God. If I see it, I'm grabbing it.
Jacob, where is it at?
I don't know.
I found it.
Let's get out of here.
Go. Just keep going. Guys, we're getting pretty lucky on our first playthrough. Hey, Jacob, you asked me to do that. That rock looks like a penis.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking. Yeah. Oh, jeez. He's right next to the...
Oh, my God.
Oh, I found a trail. We're gonna just take the trail, guys. See if it leads to Granny's house. Oh, wait. There's always a tape here.
Jacob, let me get it, please.
Well, I mean, like, I don't know if there is one. Usually there is, but... Oh, it's not here.
No, not this time.
Not this time. What is this thing? I see a black shadow.
That's what she said. Oh, he got me, Jacob.
Guys, I'm scared.
So, guys, it's totally into Jacob now. Jacob, can you see me at all?
No, I'm not looking for you.
Turn around.
I don't want to turn around. It's scary back there.
Jacob, turn around.
Oh, God.
Do you see me? You see me, Jacob?
No, I saw the man.
Jacob, turn around.
I don't want to.
You see me? You see me, Jacob?
Yeah, you that big white man that's buffed. Oh my God, now I see it. Look at him, guys.
They're here on the tree,
Dude, did you just float?
I don't know how, but I did.
Oh my God, dude, he's right next to me.
Dude, on the street. Get on the street.
Oh my god, he's right next to me,
Is
guys.
that slow?
Yes. Guys, I'm scared. I don't want to turn around. Turn around every now and then.
Guys, he's pretty good for a first round. Jacob isn't there yet.
Oh, my flashlight's blinking.
Oh. Turn it off.
It's so dark.
Flicker it on and off. Jacob, come over here and follow the path. Come over here and follow the trail. So yeah, if Jacob will look at me, this is what I look like when I'm dead, you guys. This is what I look like when I'm dead.
Man, I feel like he's just gonna jump down from a tree and like Batman me or something. I don't know what you call that, but... Oh, that reminds me. I was in gym the other day, okay, guys? And we were playing like soccer or something, and this kid went to kick it, and he's like, and he kicks it, and it hits this girl's face. So yeah, it was like,
Man.
yeah, it was like, when it hits her right in the face.
Jacob, were you laughing?
Yes.
Did she hit you?
No.
Jacob, we should go into the museum one after that.
Museum?
Jacob, this rock also looks like a penis.
Which one?
Directly behind you.
Not as... Oh, jeez. Oh, my God. Yes. You made me look right at him.
No. Follow the trail. Jacob, I hear it. No, right here. On the half, right here.
Well, I have a feeling that I'm not gonna make this, guys.
Oh, guys, I think this is the end for me. I think this is the end for our video because we're right near the road.
I'm gonna get ran over by a car.
Dude, do you see me?
Yes. What would you do if, like, he was just in the car and he just ran you over or something? Like, would that be creepy?
Yeah. There's another one over there. Dude, did we even ever explore this one when we didn't even have our YouTube? We never explored over here.
No, I've never seen this spot ever.
Jacob, there's more of a trail. Did you just fart
In the mic?
in the mic?
Oh my god, he threw something at me. What happened? No, like, what happens if you just, like, there was a brick at your face or something, you get knocked out? No, that would be some creepy crap. Oh, hey, there's the wee. Oh, wait, no. Oh, my. Ah!
What?
I saw him. Oh, my. Frick, dude. I don't even know what to do. Oh, my God. He's everywhere I go. I always feel like that he's watching me. Can I turn around? I really want to. Oh, jeez. Oh my god. Whew.
I'm not gonna lie, when you got me the first time, Jacob, let's cross over the river. We didn't go over there yet. Ooh, let's actually see if we can find it.
Got a tape.
Right there, Jacob, he's here. Guys, we only need 2 more tapes. Guys, we need 2 more tapes.
I'm gonna die. My flashlight, I can't even see. My flashlight's that dim.
Jacob, who else do we used to play with?
I don't know exactly.
His name was like Ice or something.
Oh, I don't I'm following the stream.
Oh, Jacob.
Oh, yeah, we were here before. We didn't take the left, so let's go left. I can't even see.
So, Jacob, we should actually do videos like this late at night. Like horror games, we should do late at night, don't you think?
Like, what up, though?
We're not going to be doing them a lot on this because once me and Jacob get our PS4, you guys, we'll start we'll like see what we can do. We'll see what horror games we can buy and everything. You okay with that, Jacob?
Yeah. I know another series that we'll be able to do, I bet.
What?
Like Dying Light, yeah.
I hear one. Jacob's right on the ground. Uh-oh, guys. Jacob, how's the music sound for you, bud?
It sounds freaking creepy.
It's actually creepy, you said?
Yeah. Okay, this isn't promising.
Oh, Jacob, look at that on the side of the house.
I don't know if I want to go in there.
Yeah, I'll go in there and tell you if anything.
No, there's nothing in there. I can't hear. No, I need you to...
Jacob, he's behind you.
How do you know that?
Trust me, turn around.
I'm not turning around.
Turn around.
No.
Turn around.
No, that's a risk taken. I could die. We're already over here. Well, guys, we made a complete circle. Isn't that great? I swear, if we beat this on our first try, Well, guys, if we beat this on our first try...
We're gonna make one more video, but I say if we know we can at least do two more, because this is kind of fun. But,
This isn't fun, what do you mean? I'm freaking, like, scared. I'm sweating right now, man.
It's fun for the viewers.
No, it isn't. It's not funny.
I hear tape.
Yeah, no you don't. Shut up.
You guys see how he treats me every time?
I'm gonna put you up on eBay.
Jacob, you have no pot.
I have a Clash Clans. It's pretty big.
My pot is bigger than you.
No, it isn't. You don't even play Clash Clans.
Jacob, I hear tape. The stream.
Are you right behind me?
Maybe. No, I'm in front of you. I see you right now. I'll wait for you.
Sorry, this is bad quality, guys. It's just like usually like bright games like this, like with the flashlight, kind of doesn't work out that well. But
Hi, Jacob.
oh hey, Ro.
Do you see me in front of you?
Yeah. Yeah, my fingers hurting from running.
That's what she said. We've
Uh,
already been over here, Jacob.
nuh-uh.
Watch, when we die, you guys, watch. We're gonna look so stupid. Because remember the map, Jacob, that shows us where there's people will spot. Jacob, what if it's like directly in the middle?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, I'm trying to find the middle. Oh my god.
Guys, Jacob's trying to find the middle. I wonder how many times he's done that before.
You scare me. Stop it. You just keep on running through me, and that scares me.
Who, me?
Yes, you. Yeah, okay. Oh, jeez, he threw something at me.
Jacob, is it just like a big blue mist where I'm walking?
Yeah.
Okay, that should not be a tree. Oh, okay. It seems to be the middle. seen Lily beat him, Jake?
Yeah.
Oh, God, Jacob, we haven't been here before.
Whoa, you once again scared me.
That's great.
You coughed in the mic. You ever been here?
No.
Yeah, it's just near where the road is.
Jacob, how scared are you from the scale of 1 to 10?
Probably about like a 6.5. Dude, it's really freaking dark. My flashlight doesn't even work right now.
Stop being racist.
What? I didn't. What did I even say?
I'm gonna try to go all the way down to the edge of the road and see if I can find anything.
I'm not. No, you should stay with me, because I'm scared.
Would you say stay with you?
Yeah, look, okay, follow me. We're gonna make a right here.
Jacob, do you see the picture of the eyelid face right there?
Yes, like the eyeballs are popped out and all that.
That's what she said.
Is it over here? No, we already found one right there.
Jacob, look at, turn around.
No.
Why not?
I'm gonna die. Oh, he was right next to me. Holy crap.
Mm-hmm.
That's not funny. I don't want to lose. I want to win. And no, if you do get all 8 tapes, you do not get day mode, which kind of sucks.
You don't get what, Jacob?
Like, it doesn't enable day mode. Like, usually if you complete Slenderman, you unlock day mode. Like, you can play in the daytime.
Jacob, I think Slenderman is creepy during the day. Oh.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, like, you could see him now from a distance. You know he's there. We've been here, Jacob.
No, we haven't.
Yes, we have. Remember this is where I flew up on one of the hands?
What am I supposed to do?
Jacob, how long is this video so far?
18 minutes.
Jacob, last day.
Yeah, guys.
Let's go, guys. And now you guys get to see what happened to Jacob.
Wow.
And the video there, Jacob, we're gonna do maybe 1 or 2 more for you guys, depending on what happens.
Whew. First game, guys, and we beat it. Like, wow. Now you guys get to watch, like, how retarded we look.
Now you guys get to watch how stupid we were.
Oh, yeah, you can barely see it. Dang it. Yeah, that's some bad graphics right there. Sorry, guys.
Jacob, why do Wiley get caught first?
I don't know. I want to look how, like...
Alright, Jacob, we'll wrap this video up and let's do another one.
Okay, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed something different than Borderlands. Comment down below if you want more of, like, scary games or something. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you guys.